Hi everyone, this is Tony from iFormBuilder. I'd like to show you one of the new features of iFormBuilder in iForm 5.0, which is form localization. Right now I'm logged in looking at the data views page, and you can see on the left hand side my device here has this local lead capture form, and currently I'm viewing everything in English. One of the new tabs you'll see is this localization. It's actually a link under the forms drop down menu. So when you click on this, it's going to go ahead and load the same forms that are in the form assignment menu. And we'll go ahead and look for our localization form, which is this local lead capture form. So now I can select this row here and click on the edit button, and it's going to load a new interface. This interface is going to allow me to select the language which I want to provide translations for, and then also provide the translations for that particular language and save them. And what this does is it allows you to develop a single form which has support for multiple languages as long as you can provide the translation. So we'll go ahead and show you an example of what this looks like. One of the ones already completed for this is Czech. So we'll go ahead and select Czech, and you can see that the labels are pre-populated since I've saved this into the form builder. I'm going to go ahead and switch over on the device side to Czech, and go inside General, scroll down till you get to your International settings, and then select your language. Czech is this selection here, so when we say done, oh, I guess it drops out while it's rebooting, so it actually is changing the language on the phone, so it's going to lose my reflection connection. Give me 1 second, I'll come right back. Okay, so here I am, and just move this over. You can see the language is already changed, so if I say done, and we go back to iForm, iForm launches, and when we open our form, first you can see that the label of the form being displayed matches the custom label we've supplied in the form builder here. And then when we open the form, you can see that the labels are now displaying according to the custom labels that we've provided in the interface. So very simple. You can develop this single form, provide the translations for the languages you want to support, and depending on the user's localization setting, the correct label will display. Just to give you one more example, we can flip over to Portuguese, I believe. There's also another one in here. So Portuguese. Right, so we can see there's translation support for Portuguese, and then I will probably lose I will lose the device again when we switch the language. So we switch to Portuguese. AirPlay drops out, that's okay. So once the device reboots here, I'll go ahead and flip it over, and we can see that there's going to be some Portuguese labels that are visible. Okay, so the device is back. Now if I bring iForm back up, you can see that this form label is now matching the default label we have for the form, and when we open it up, the elements display according to these saved labels here. So I hope you find this useful, and please let us know if you have any comments or feedback. Thanks and enjoy.